Hello viewers, I am here with another video about creating 100 YouTube short videos in just 20 minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. We will be using ChatGPT for the text generation, and then Canva will be used to create the short videos. Before going to the computer screen, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to immediately receive updates on our new learning videos. Please watch the complete video so that you do not miss any important step. Let's go to the computer screen to see how we can start generating the YouTube Shorts in just 20 minutes. Open the ChatGPT and write the prompt to generate the text for our shorts. The main idea behind the viral shorts is the CTR and average watch time. If you can engage the viewer until the very end of your video, that is, if you can obtain a very high average watch time, your shorts will get viral within no time. To engage the viewers, there should be something interesting and surprise for the viewers. For example, we can have a first few seconds of showing some question and then next few seconds for the options and then another few seconds for the answer. For example, if I want to create shorts about riddles, I will write the prompt on the ChatGPT. You can get this prompt in the video's description. In the prompt, an example is also given to the ChatGPT. That is, title is Fun Riddles 101, then can you crack this, and this is the body, and then there are 3 options, and finally, that is answer. So, let us see the magic. So, we can see that the ChatGPT is generating. We can write continue, so that it can generate more for us. Alright, so you can just copy all these and put them in the Excel file. Okay. So I can put them in an Excel file and then I can copy the later. So in this way I can generate 100 of riddles using ChatGPT and put them all in the Excel file, and now the next task is to go to the Canva and start creating the video.
On the Canva, you can go to the video and then mobile video, and then you can see that we have a 5-second clip here. So just go to the elements, search for the motion lines, and then select the motion lines for our video like this one. Okay, so all right, so the next task is to create the text, that is the heading. So just go to the Excel, copy the title and put it here, right? So we can have here like that. Then next is the body, and before that let's write some text. Can you crack this one? Right, and you can make the text a little bigger, and then again go to the elements, so I can search for the pointing up, and let's use this one with the background remover option, and we can make a little bigger, and then we can have the next 5 seconds. After few seconds we can have another text, that is not the heading, it is subheading. So So here is the body, that is this one. Here it will be the question body. So you can just adjust it by just going to show element timing, and then I will be showing this one only for the first 5 seconds, let's suppose, and then this one after the 5 seconds. So here I will be only seeing this one. I can make it a little bigger more, like this one. Then here I can just make the text a little bigger here. So like that. And then I can add another text for the options. So I can write it as the first option is a candle. Then I can just show it after few seconds. And obviously I can make this pointing up disappear at this point. So after that, this will vanish and I will be showing the answer. Then I can copy this one and I can place it here. Then I can place another one. And the second option was a tree. Then the third option was a clock. And then I can make all these as a group, and it will be shown after this point, and then it will be shown up to some point, right? So up to this point we are good to go, and then after that we can add a timer. So countdown timer, 5 seconds. So here we can put a timer here and remove its background. So we can make it a little up here. This 5 second will be starting from here, and then it will be 5 4 3. So it will be 3 2 1, and up to this point we are okay. All right, then what we want to write the answer. So again, after that we will have a subheading, and the answer was a candle. Okay, so we can just make it 70 because this is the answer, or more than 70 like this one, and we can have the background effects as well with a color like green. And then we can add, obviously this will be after this countdown, and obviously we should have some celebrations, and here we can add some celebrations. like this one. But those celebrations can be like this one with some background removal feature. Okay, so we have adjusted this after the countdown timer. Now let's play the video. So you can make a short one because this is 34 seconds long. All right, now we are good to go. Now to add some music, background music, what we can do, we can go to audio and then we can select some music of our own choice. And now the shot is complete. All right, now this was the procedure to create one shot. Now how we can automate the process? So first of all, just go to apps, find bulk create. So we have already here. So we will click enter data manually, and here what we will do, we will copy all the data and put it here, right? And then we are good to go. And finally, what is this? This is the title. So I can just right click, collect data, and then title. Then next is the body. So I can just right click and connect data to the body. And then I have this one. So this is option 1. This is option 2. This is option 3. And finally, at this point, this is the answer. So once we have automated the process, now we can just click continue, and here we will be creating 10 different designs. So this is how we have created multiple YouTube shorts by following the procedure for only first shot and then automating the process on the Canva. So we have some uh, problems with our shorts, that here, like this one, this text is not fitting or not looking correctly. So what we can do, we can go back and then we can select each one, and then we can make this space a little bigger. So just hide the timing, make it a little zoom, and then ungroup this one. And finally, I can just make this text block a little bigger. Now text of even more, one more word will be adjusted very easily in this box. So you can create the first YouTube short by carefully adjusting the width of the boxes, and then after that you can just automate the process.